I've been building homes in Orlando, Florida since 1999, and here in Point Siena, we've roughly put up around 1,000 homes in my career. We specialize in financing for first-time home buyers, and what I've always strived to do is to build a better mousetrap. So meaning we're able to give more to the customer, more value in our homes, and not have to raise the price of the homes. Most builders, if they put something new in, they raise the price of the home. Well, my buyers have a fixed income and they can't afford some of these new things that come out. So what I do is I strive to go into the International Builders Show where suppliers come from all over the world and they bring in products like FIBO. And FIBO has been a new product that we brought on, and it's allowed us to eliminate grout and tile in all of our homes. And anytime in Florida especially, well, we build on sand typically, there's the settling of the home. So whether you're in a $5 million home or in a $200,000 home, which was what we're in today, you're going to still have settling and grout where the grout's going to crack. So it's constant maintenance where the homeowner has to come back and fill these grout lines so that there isn't water leakage behind the walls. Well, we brought in FIBO, which is a product from Norway, and this product has been able to eliminate tile completely in all my homes. I have no more tile in any of my homes, and this product has been fantastic. It's been in Norway and Europe for many, many years, and we're actually one of the first builders here in the United States to be able to carry FIBO and install this in what we call production home building. So we're very proud of it. It's been a fantastic product. The people love it. The look of it is fantastic. It's clean, as you can see. It's very clean. You have no grout lines. And it's beautifully put in, and it's guaranteed for many, many years against mildew, wood rot, or anything else. And it's been really revolutionized the building process for us here in Florida.
So what do you like about the design? So I mean, do that catch your eye when you see what we have developed? Or?
The difference and what's different and unique that's with FIBO is you're typical to look at just tile, and you're limited to what color tile they have, ceramic tile, whether it's natural stone. The wonderful thing about FIBO is it is always perfect. When you look at it, there's no imperfections in the stone or imperfections in the tile. And then you can talk about colors and different even textures of the stone, which is fantastic. So you can actually feel the different textures with the material. And that's been fantastic. There's many, upwards of 15 or 20 different colors that are available in this. So depending on whatever taste you may have, whatever color cabinets you may have in your home, we're able to match FIBO to go with your particular style.
Yeah.
The greatest excitement, I think, is when I see someone walk into a bathroom and they're expecting the typical 4x4 white, very boring look. And what we're able to do here in a $200,000 home is we're able to offer something that is spectacular that you'll see in a custom $2 million home, and we're able to bring that same look, that same aesthetic, coloring and feeling and texture to a $200,000 home. Because as far as I'm concerned, whether I'm buying a $200,000 home or a $2 million home, we're all people. And when you really look at it, everybody wants something nice in their home. And then we're able to, through FIBO, we're able to offer those beautiful colors and textures to make our homes really feel nice.
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Is that growth in the
Grout, yeah, grout, yeah.
And it cracked,
Yeah,
as you can see here. And this has been in for 1.5 years, you said?
correct.
Wow. Just because of settling, because it's sitting on sand?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So here in Florida, one of the biggest main factors that I went with FIBO was because of water intrusion. And any time of a home, no matter what, whether it's a $5 million home or a $200,000 home like we're in today, this is a problem with grout. Eventually, any kind of settling, these grout lines will crack, and once water gets behind the grout, then you have mildew damage and things like this. With FIBO, this comes together, there's a flashing along the back, and it's impossible for the water to get behind the actual FIBO. So this has been a big problem solver. Aside from aesthetically pleasing to the eye, it is actually a far better product than grout and tile.